So this is Balud's. This is Danielle Balud's Mediterranean restaurant. We're located on the Upper West Side, right across the street from Lincoln Center. Hi, I'm Christina. Welcome to Balud's. Today we're going to be doing a cold bean salad and fried artichokes. We're doing the artichokes that are in olive oil with orange and lemon. Those are going to be deep fried, gluten-free with lemon aioli, and then we're going to do a cold bean salad with the Tagliasca olives. So this is my first time trying the Calizo brand products. Pretty blown away. They cater to a lot of different allergens and preferences and things of that nature. They make a vegan mayonnaise. They call it Italianaise. They make a lot of specialty products and condiments that anybody can enjoy. These artichokes are ready to go. Once you take the condiment out of the jar, you can eat them right away, put them in a nice salad, or just eat them as a snack in front of the TV. But we're gonna deep fry them today, because who doesn't love deep fried food? I'm gonna mix all these ingredients first. So we have the cornstarch, rice flour, potato starch, and chickpea flour. So we're gonna start off with egg yolks. Gonna take a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, add it to the egg yolks, whisk that together. We're gonna zest in some lemons. There's a little lemon juice. Now we're gonna slowly incorporate a blended oil. I like to use canola oil because it's not too strong of a flavor. Once all your oil is incorporated, the aioli is finished. And you can put it in any type of container that you would like. Personally, I like to put aiolis and sauces in pastry bags, just so you can do pretty things on plates. So once the aioli is all finished and our dry mix is ready to go, we're gonna take some of these artichokes out of the jar, cut them in half, pat them dry, and then we're gonna bread them and deep fry. So we're placing the halved artichokes in the dry ingredients. The most important part about deep frying anything is always season right away with a little bit of salt, just so the oils can adhere to the salt. Lemon aioli, I put in a pastry bag so we can make a fun design on the plate. So when I first started working at Balud's about 10 years ago, one of my favorite dishes on the menu was our fried artichoke dish. It was fried baby artichokes with nipatella aioli, which is a wild mint. So this is just my take on an old school Balud's dish that I really enjoyed when I started working here. This is really easy for the home chefs. Instead of spending so much time cleaning artichokes, you can take it right out of the jar, of the Calizo artichoke jar, and bread it and deep fry it. Hi, I'm Christina D'Angelo, and you're watching A Taste of New York. Now we're gonna make a cold bean salad that's great for the summertime with some green beans and some Tagliasca olives. So most important thing about beans, whenever you have dry beans, you always soak them overnight with double the amount of water because they expand. So this originally was 1 cup of beans. This is now 2 cups of beans soaked overnight. One of the most important thing about cooking beans is never to season it with salt until they are completely cooked. What the salt does is create it hardens the shell on the bean, and if you put salt way too early, it's not gonna cook correctly. So to the beans, we're gonna add a few bay leaves, a half an onion, and a piece of celery. So whenever you eat celery raw, you want to peel it. Okay, so these are some green beans. What I did was I cut them in 1-inch pieces and cooked them quickly in boiling water and shocked them in ice water so they stay green. We're also going to shave some fennel to put inside. We're going to grill some oranges. So cut the orange in half, and then we're going to take off the pith. The pith is very bitter and we don't want that. These head-on shrimp, they're coming from Hawaii. They're super sweet right now, this time of the year. We're just gonna season them lightly with a little bit of salt on both sides. A lot of people are scared of the head part of the shrimp because they see the eyes staring at them. But that's where a lot of the flavor of the shrimp actually is. Once we start seeing a little pink around the outside, we're gonna flip them over. So our beans are fully cooked now. They're tender in the center. You can take them in between your fingers and smash them. Once the beans are cooked, season them with salt. And then we're gonna put it in a vessel to cool down in the refrigerator. So we're gonna take our cooked beans and add it to our ingredients here. We're gonna add some chopped parsley to that as well. Of course, the Calizo Tagiasca olives. You could use any olive for this recipe, but it wouldn't be the same. These Tagiasca olives that are with the lemon and orange in the oil from Calizo brand really makes a big difference about it. Since they are marinated with the lemon and orange, it gives it a lot more flavor. Tagiasca olive is my favorite type of olive. It's a great replacement for Niçoise olive. They're not as punchy as Kalamatas, but if you're looking for a starter olive, this is your olive. So to the salad, we're gonna add a red wine vinaigrette. So it's red wine vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, and some of the olive oil from the jarred olives. I'm gonna place some of the charred citrus on the bottom of the plate. Something great for the summertime, we have grilled citrus with some grilled shrimp and a bean salad. It also can be made vegan. Just remove the shrimp and you have a vegan side dish served with the Tagiasca olives from the Calizo brand.